Baruchim Abayim, welcome everyone. Every Wednesday we try to learn a little bit from the Heilige Rebbe Melech from Lezhensk. So Chusay going to Salmain. This week's Parshas Shoftim. In the book of Deuteronomy we read Ki polim amcha adavar ben din ladin ben dam ladam kamisa valisa kamta valisa. It says when it becomes too difficult for you to make a judgment, you should go up to the place where the Lord your God has chosen near Al-Farish. Seems that we could explain it like this. The word that it's too difficult is really it's too wonderful, amazing, and the saints, they do amazing wonders through their holy words. They sweeten all the judgments from upon the Israelites, and then they also bring judgments upon the wicked. This is a great wonder. That's what it means when a word becomes too wonderful for you. If you want your words to have that power to do wonders, how do you accomplish that? Bein din ladin, between judgment and judgment, kanal, as we said above. Dahainu laham tikadinim, meaning to sweeten the judgments al Yisrael from the Israelites, v'tamshech adin al rishoyim, and to bring judgment upon the wicked. V'tavchen ezadin lamtika ve'ezadin lamshich al rishoyim. You have to know which judgment should you sweeten and which judgment should you put upon the wicked. Kam to velisa, get up and rise up. Perish. What does it mean? Your lasakin is called Everecha lekadish kol Ever ve'Ever shetia koyma shlema kasher marti leposik verdemus kamaradam yoshev al kisei. So it's a very interesting, very famous verse that's often misunderstood. So the way the Rebbe Melech learns it is that you have to fix every part of your body that it should be totally dedicated to God. And this is similar to what we see in the verse in Ezekiel that he saw a vision like a man sitting on a throne. Now God forbid we can't think that's talking about God, because God doesn't have any form or shape or image. So rather, the concept with Ezekiel saying that he saw a man sitting on the throne means that the prophet Ezekiel sanctified himself with so much holiness that each and every limb of his body was sanctified, and it became returned to its root in heaven with a perfect stature. And that's what he says. I saw an image, like the vision of a man on the throne. It's meaning he saw himself. Not that he saw God, but he saw himself. Shehikia ad kiseh covered, that he himself reached to the throne of glory. So that's what means you should go up to the place where the Lord chose. You have to lift yourself up to the throne of glory. It's easy to understand. It might be hard to do, but it's easy to understand. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment. We'll see you later.